a Bluff Coast original. As seen in the previous episode, we bought our second van, a 1984 Volkswagen Vanagon tin top. Our good buddy Denny trailered it here from Des Moines, Iowa with his trusty minivan, and despite the smelly interior, the horribly loud exhaust, and the rough idle, it's now time to dig in and remove this van's interior.
So I'm thinking first step with this thing is just getting it aired out and cleaned completely. We're gonna figure something out. Maybe once I get the actual interior out of here, that would probably help the smell. And honestly, if I had to take one guess, I would imagine that all up in here, AC unit up here, is just completely mouse infested. This thing did sit for 10 years and I don't know where exactly it sat, so I can only imagine that critters and different things were able to get up there.
Nobody ever likes a rusty, paint-flaked bumper. It was time for this thing to go. Next step, sourcing a used one to replace it.
Oh, that's why. What the heck? Oh, dang. I snapped the bolt right off. That is so gnarly. Thing is pretty crusty. Whew. It's not too bad under there.
Smells
Smell like gloves.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if this thing starts. It smells so bad.
Toxic. What is that?
So what are we doing today, Liz?
You're gutting this thing.
We're getting started on gutting this bad boy and getting the crap and the stink out of here. And it's gonna be glorious because it is bad.
It smells toxic right now.
Yeah.
Straight up.
So we're gonna go get some safety masks or something and get started. So I don't know if you can hear this at all, but the interior is just crusty. Like, oh my goodness. Ugh. It's pretty disgusting. So I think first step when I was trying to remove this seat is just getting the carpet up because it's blocking some of the bolts that are holding this down. And so I need to take off this front step in order to get the carpet up. Alright, first piece, the goner. Safe spot. There we go. Now we're able to see under here how disgusting this thing really is. It looks like a spot where water was getting in for a while or something. Alright. I'm a little bit scared to figure out and see what I find in this thing, so. It's so hard to tell where these things are bolted down at. Liz, wanna help me take the seat out? I think, oh, what? There's more. Oh, they're there.
I'm not of much help in this situation,
Oh, dang.
but I'm here for support. This thing has so much potential.
I know, isn't it crazy?
It's crazy. For some reason, it feels so much bigger than your Westie because it obviously doesn't have all the interior stuff.
Yeah, the interior stuff takes up so much room.
Yeah.
Alright, excuse me.
Found a penny in there.
Dude, I know. Wait, there's another one?
I don't know if it's the same one or not.
This one?
Yeah, there's one back there.
Oh man, my hands smell disgusting. Well, we found 2 pennies so far, so. Alright, first thing's coming out.
Oofta!
Crusty.
Ew.
That's pretty sick, but long overdue.
Oof.
Oh yeah, there's mouse poop right here.
There's what?
Mouse poop. We found mouse poop.
Ooh, all those little things?
Yeah, I think so. I should definitely have a mask on. I feel like it already doesn't smell as bad in here, but probably does.
Hey, do you want to put your hair up?
Yeah, this is how you gut a van in 15 minutes.
You're not going to look at your best, but...
Alright, oh my gosh, this is so much better. So, definitely some signs of mouse in here and other crap, but dude, it feels so much better to have that out of here already. Oh man. Now this thing can come out. Sweet. Dang, this thing is already so much roomier.
Now with a decent chunk of the interior removed and the bare floor now exposed, the vision for what this cabin on wheels will become is much more clear. Although there is so much more work to come, sometimes completing that first step is the most difficult part. Yeehaw! If you'd like to follow along with the rest of the series, make sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned. But if not, that's cool too. Stay coastin'.